Vegana presence.
Soil and Water Conservation Lecture Note for JHS. What is soil?
Soil is a mixture of weathered rocks and decayed organic matter, the top part of the Earth's surface which contain nutrients and in which plants grow. The main function of the soil in crop production are: A. It holds the plant firmly in the soil. B. Provide nutrient to the plant, home of living organisms. C. Provide the crop with water and air.
What are the components of soil?
Sandy, clayey, and loamy soil. The component of the soil are the mineral fraction, the organic fraction, water, air and living organisms.
What is water conservation?
Water conservation is the intelligent use of water for the plant and animal all the time, for agriculture production. The most important source of water for plants is the rainfall. Other sources of water in case of rainfall failure are boreholes, rivers and lakes.
Which practices destroy our water bodies?
Some of the practices which destroy our water bodies are clearing the forest along river banks, Galamsey activities, the use of chemicals for fishing, and dumping of solid and liquid waste into the water bodies.
What are some factors which cause depletion of soil resources?
Leaching. This is the downward movement of water together with the nutrients beyond the root zone. Continuous cropping. Continuous cropping may affect the texture and structure of the soil, leading to erosion. Useful nutrients are also lost from the soil. Overgrazing. Using large numbers of animals to graze on a piece of land, or sending animals to graze on the same spot, can expose the land to environmental hazards. Some of these hazards are erosion, direct sunlight on the surface of the land, etc. Burning and oxidation destroy organic matter, living organism in the soil, and expose the land to weather hazards. The fire may spread and destroy other people's farms and property. Erosion causes loss of soil nutrients and other soil resources. Crop removal exposes the soil to direct sunlight and erosion. Other factors which cause depletion of soil resources are sand winning, quarrying, surface mining, etc.
What is soil erosion?
Soil erosion. It is the washing and wearing away of the topsoil by water or wind. Some agents of erosion are water, wind and ice. Erosion is seriously influenced by climate, soil properties, vegetation and topography of the land.
What types of soil erosion are caused by water?
A. Raindrop and splash erosion. B. Sheet erosion. C. Rill erosion. D. Gully erosion. Raindrop and splash erosion is caused by water. This takes place when raindrops hit the soil surface, remove and scatter the soil particles. It is very serious on bare land, since it has direct contact with the soil. Sheet erosion occurs when a wide surface of the soil is uniformly removed by runoff water, without forming ridges on the ground. It is very severe on large bare lands, with no vegetation. Rill erosion occurs when flowing water on the soil surface causes gradual removal of the topsoil, until narrow tracks or channels are created. These channels are capable of becoming bigger. Gully erosion takes place when a large volume of flowing water with great speed removes soil from the land surface, creating wide and deep gutters and gullies.
What are the three main types of wind erosion?
The three main types of wind erosion are: A. Saltation. B. Suspension. C. Soil creep.
What is saltation?
Saltation occurs when the strong moving wind move in whirls and look like a moving funnel, throwing heavy soil together with other materials around away into the atmosphere.
What is suspension?
The three main types of wind erosion are: A. Saltation. B. Suspension. C.
What is the cause of soil creep?
Soil creep is caused by gravity on slope and wind. It occurs when there is a strong wind on a bare land. The particles of the soil may be forced to move a little from their original place. These type of erosion occurs where the soil is very dry and unprotected. Flat or gentle slope with nothing to prevent the wind from moving. Factors which influence wind erosion are moisture content of the soil, the activity, bring out the factors that lead to the depletion of soil resources, for example, erosion, burning and leaching.
What factors influence soil erosion?
Topography of the place, amount of rainfall, absence of vegetative cover on soil, soil structure, soil texture, human activities, and type of soil at the place. Activity. Discuss each of the methods of restoring soil resources, as stated in the content.
What are the effects of soil erosion in agriculture?
A. Soil nutrients are lost. B. Destruction of farm structure. C. Removal of topsoil. D. Siltation of dams. E. Lodging of crops. Soil nutrients are lost by the running water, which carry the nutrients from its original place and deposited elsewhere beyond the reach of the plants. Removal of the topsoil which contain nutrients, useful microorganisms, organic matter are lost. Lodging of crop occurs when erosion takes place.
What causes the destruction of soil structure?
Some nutrients and other important components, such as organic matter, living organisms, soil particles are washed away by the running water, so the true structure of the soils are destroyed.
When does siltation of dams occur?
Siltation of dams occur, since the mud collected by the running water are deposited, and at times block dams.
How do we control soil erosion caused by water?
A. Growing of vegetative cover. B. Mulching. C. Application of organic manure. D. Ridging. E. Construction of water channel on the land. F. Terracing. G. Contour tillage. H. Contour banding.
What is the difference between terracing and contour tillage?